Welcome. My name is Jess. This is Ocean within yoga. Today's class is a 15-minute good morning yoga flow. Perfect to start your day. All you need today, well, again, these are optional, 2 blocks if you want them. If not, no worries. We'll go ahead and start at the top of our mat, feet hip width apart. Now flex and lift all 10 toes. Now lower your toes to the earth. Feel a grip of your mat beneath your feet. Bring a slight bend into your knees. Give it a little shake, bending and straightening. Hands are by your side. Give your hands a little shake. Keep bending and straightening your knees. Now give your head a little shake. Shake your arms up to the sky, then down by your hips. Just a little bit of shake movement to shift some energy up and out of your body. Anything that we're holding, anything that we don't want, lingering from the day prior. All right. Hands by your side. I'm going to guide you through a little breathing exercise. This is one of my favorites, especially just for channeling good morning energy. Watch this first round, and then we'll do it together. Hands by your side. It's inhale up, exhale, hands by your side. Yep, so it's an inhale up, then another big inhale up as your hands lift up, then an exhale by your side. Let's go ahead and do it together. Inhale, inhale, exhale, hands by your side. Inhale, inhale, exhale, hands by your side. Bring a bend into your knees. Inhale, arms up. Inhale up. Exhale, hands by your side. Inhale, inhale, exhale, hands by your side. Get very expansive here. Inhale, inhale, open mouth, exhale. 2 more. Inhale, inhale, exhale. Last one. Inhale, inhale, exhale, hands by your side. Bring your hands now to heart center in prayer. Press all 10 fingertips together. Press your palms together. Notice what happens here when we engage in this action. Feel your abdomen naturally lock. Belly button to spine. Cleansing breath, inhale through your nose. Biggest sigh out, exhale. One more, inhale. Big sigh out, exhale. And take a moment here with your eyes closed to acknowledge the day that you want to have. What kind of day is that? A productive day, an energizing day. Maybe it's your day off. Maybe you need a restorative day, a day of peace. Today could even be one of those hard days where you know that there's something you have to do that maybe you don't want to do. But how can we approach this with a little bit of love, with a little bit of light? Oh, there is a mantra that I'd like to share with you today. You can always create your own mantra for this practice. It is, things do not happen to me, they happen for me. There's going to be a lot of unexpected twists and turns within the path of life. And this yoga practice teaches us how to maneuver through challenging moments, how to root down through our breath, how to be with what is, the good, the bad, the hard, and to embrace every moment of our beautiful life. Cleansing breath, inhale. Audible exhale. Bring your eyes back to an open. Can you bring a smile? Yeah, smiles are contagious. The only kind of contagious that's good, I think. Yeah. Dad jokes. Okay. Tippy top of your mat. Feet hip width apart. Give your knees a little wiggle. Hands by your side, palms forward. Inhale, reach both arms up to the sky, extended mountain. Exhale, gaze up towards your hand, baby back bend. Lean your head back, open through your throat. Inhale, recenter, tall spine. Exhale, open arm twist to the right. Tee out your arms. Keep your hips forward as you twist from your core. Imagine both arms could reach for opposite ends of your space. Now, can you take a peek at your back hand? Spread all 10 fingertips wide. Inhale, recenter, extended mountain. Reach both arms up and overhead. Exhale, open arm twist to the left. Heel your arms just like we did on the other side. Gaze towards your back hand. Bring your left hip forward to recenter your hips. Inhale, recenter, extended mountain, both arms high. Exhale, hands to heart center. Bend your knees, hinge forward, forward fold, nice and slow. See if you can rest your abdomen on top of your thighs. Allow your head to hang heavy. Inhale, halfway lift, hands come to shins or thighs, nice flat back. Exhale, forward fold, take the deepest bend into your knees. Step your left foot back into a low lunge. Reach for your blocks if you'd like to use them today. I'm going to go highest setting, framing my front knee. Now, bend into your back knee, uncurl your toes. Press your palms into your blocks or the earth and shift your hips forward, shine your heart. Begin to feel a stretch within your left quad. Now, if it feels better, your back toes, they can be curled under for a little bit more support. Peel your shoulders away from your ears. Create a straight line of energy, keeping your gaze forward. Now, you can stay right here, or if you'd like to deepen your stretch, place both hands on top of your front thigh. Press into your palms, one palm on top of the other. Shift your hips forward. Now press into your front foot. So press into the earth to slightly lift and squeeze into your left glute. If it feels good, bring a little pulse here. Warming into your hips. Controlled breath. Last one. Lovely. Hands come down to frame your front foot. Go ahead and grab your blocks. Inhale, gaze forward. Exhale, with your blocks or your hands, walk your blocks back as you straighten your front knee. Flex your front foot up to the sky. Now bring a slight micro bend into your right knee. Gaze towards your front big toe. Inhale. Exhale, micro bend your elbows back towards your torso. Allow your head to hang heavy, open through the back line of your neck. And breathing now into your hamstring. Return to your low lunge. Bring a bend back into your front knee. Place your blocks to the side. Back toes curl under, back knee lifts. Now, press into your front foot. Walk your hands forward. You can even use your blocks here for a little bit extra height. And step forward to forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Hands to shins or thighs, creating the number 7. Exhale, forward fold. Deep, deep bend in your knees. Step your right foot back. Low lunge. Reach for your blocks. Blocks frame your front foot. Lower your back knee, uncurl your toes. We're mimicking the same thing we did on the other side. Shift your hips forward. Press your palms into your blocks. Shine your heart. Again, if it feels better, back toes can be curled under to release any pressure if you're feeling anything in your back knee, or if this is a deep stretch within your quad. Our goal here is just to warm up the front and the back of your legs. Strong breath. Inhale. Exhale. Let's get active. Press into your front foot. Lightly lift your hips back. Option to bring your hands to your front thigh. Press into your palms. Add a little pulse if that feels good. One more breath here. Return your hands back to your blocks. Inhale. Exhale, walk your blocks back very slowly as you straighten your front knee, flexing your front foot up. Blocks now frame your shin, or hands frame your shin. Bring your left hip back, right hip forward with a slight bend into your left knee. This is going to help bring your torso closer to your thigh. Press into your blocks or the earth. Inhale, halfway lift, channel a flat back. Exhale, micro bend your elbows. Allow your head to hang nice and heavy. Flex your left toes up to the sky. One more breath. Bringing a bend now back into your front knee, returning to your low lunge. Place your blocks to the side. Hands, frame your front foot, back toes curl under. All right, we take it very slow here. Hands walk forward so more weight is shifted into your left foot. Again, you can use your blocks here. These are going to give you a little bit more support. These are going to lift your torso a little bit higher to help bring your foot forward. Slowly shift your weight forward, then step your right foot to forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift, hands come to shins or thighs, flat back, draw your elbows into your rib cage. Exhale, forward fold. Heel toe your feet out to the width of the mat, heels in, toes out. Go ahead and grab both of your blocks and create a little seat by stacking both blocks on top of each other on their lowest setting. Scooch them back, bend your knees, sink your booty back so that way your glutes come to a seat. Bringing both hands together in prayer, Malasana, Yogi squat. Opening up into our inner hips, into our inner thighs. Palms pressed together, knees open wide. Place your left hand down inside of your left leg. Reach your right arm high, gaze up to your top hand. Take a couple of wrist rolls going one direction. And take it the opposite direction. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, right hand comes inside of your right leg, in front of your right ankle. Inhale, left arm lifts. Stay here and breathe in your exhale. Option to do the same thing, wrist rolls. Left hand just warming your wrists and taking it the opposite direction. Inhale, exhale, left palm down. Lift your hips, place your block to the side. Use your hands behind your back to gently lower to a seat. Bring your legs out long. Give your glutes a gentle wiggle from side to side. Reach both arms up towards the sky. Rotate your pinkies in. Slight bend into both of your knees. Inhale. Exhale, hinge forward halfway. Everyone's halfway point might look a little different. This could even just be a slight hinge. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Option here to use your blocks, framing your shins or your knees, allowing your head to hang nice and heavy. Now, if you're newer to this practice, I do recommend keeping a very deep bend in your knees. Reason being is because if I straighten my knees and I hinge forward and my body's not ready, I'm going to actually pull and it's not going to feel very good. It's actually a bit better to allow your body to soften into it, because in time, what happens is we stretch and we begin to slowly wiggle our glutes back. Now, this is also a morning stretch for me as well, too. So I feel a little tight. So again, I don't want to full send forward. I don't want to pull anything. I want to make sure our body is safe and supported. Being where we are in this moment. Tuck your chin, allow your head to hang heavy. If it feels good, add some yeses, nodding your head up and down. Some nose from side to side. And slowly press into your palms. Walk your hands back to a seat. Hands frame your hips, palms down. Bend your knees, stamp your feet to the earth. Align your shoulders over your wrists. Spread all 10 fingertips wide. Press into the ground. Roll your shoulders back at expansive in your heart. Lean your head back, open your throat. Inhale, tuck your chin, round your spine, draw your belly button in. Exhale, lean your head back, open your throat, shine your heart. 2 more. Inhale, tuck and curl. Exhale, lean your head back, open your throat. Last one. Inhale, tuck and curl. Exhale, lean your head back, open your throat. Option to stay right here. Or reverse tabletop. Press into your palms, press into your feet, lift your hips, squeeze your glutes. Draw your belly button to your spine, press into your palms, squeeze and lift. Controlled breath. Inhale, tuck your chin. Exhale, slowly lower your hips if they are lifted. If they were just hovering, that's perfect. Extend both legs long, hands in line with shoulders, palms up. Inhale. Exhale, slowly lower to your back. Nice and slow. Hands rest by your side, palms up and receiving. Left foot to left corner, right foot to right corner. Shavasana, corpse pose. Cleansing breath, inhale. Audible exhale. Friends, we've made it. Give yourself a little bit of time here to soak in a place of peace and stillness before we get into our busy day. Things do not happen to you, they happen for you. Everything you've ever endured in your life has made you that much stronger. Nothing can truly break you, but it will sculpt you into the human that you are today, who is strong, who is embodied. Cleansing breath, inhale. Big sigh out, exhale. Know that you may always stay longer if you would like. Take an inhale, full body stretch. Reach both arms long, point your toes, reach your arms. Exhale, fetal position, left side or right. Elbows touch, knees touch, just like we're getting up and out of bed, ready to start our day. Taking this moment to acknowledge yourself for taking the time and space for your yoga practice. It is in creating routine that we begin to see the benefits of this practice. Mindfulness, breath work, inner peace. All of those things will come. Press into your palms, walk your hands to a seat. Give your glutes a little wiggle. Hands come to heart center, palms press, all 10 fingertips press with a tall spine. Inhale. Audible exhale. The love and light within, honor and value the love and light within you. Thank you for your practice. Namaste. If you enjoyed this class, let me know in the comments below. If you'd like to see more flows like this, let me know. If there's anything that you're seeking, anything you want to learn, I'm all ears. And any questions that you have, know that there's never a bad question. My name is Jess. This is Ocean Within Yoga. It was an honor flowing with you. I'll see you next time. Have a beautiful day.